The quest for water. Wildlife in southern Africa. In southern Africa, life revolves around one critical resource: water. In this vast and arid landscape, the quest for water shapes the behavior, survival strategies, and even the social structures of its iconic wildlife, from the majestic elephants to the nimble springboks. Every creature is drawn to this lifeline in a relentless fight for survival. Southern Africa is home to some of the most dramatic landscapes on Earth, from the shimmering sands of the Kalahari Desert to the sprawling savannas of Botswana. Here, the rains are sparse and unpredictable, leaving waterholes as the only dependable sources of hydration. These oases, scattered across the land, become gathering points for an astonishing diversity of life. But waterholes are more than just sources of sustenance. They are arenas of tension, competition, and survival. For many species, the journey to and from these vital sites is fraught with danger. Among the most iconic water seekers of southern Africa are the elephants, often called the engineers of the savannah. With their incredible memory and knowledge passed down through generations, matriarchs lead their herds to hidden water sources during the dry season. But elephants do more than just find water. They create it. Using their powerful trunks and tusks, they dig wells in dry riverbeds, uncovering water that sustains not just their herd, but a multitude of other species. Their actions are a testament to their intelligence and the intricate web of life that thrives here. For predators, waterholes are more than just a place to quench thirst. They are hunting grounds. Lions, leopards, and hyenas all use these sites to ambush prey. Under the cover of darkness, the waterhole transforms into a stage where the drama of life and death plays out. Prey animals, aware of the lurking danger, approach waterholes with extreme caution. A single mistake can turn a life-giving drink into a fatal encounter. It's not just the large mammals that struggle for water. Smaller creatures like meerkats and jackals have developed ingenious ways to survive in these harsh conditions. Meerkats rely on early morning dew collected on plants, while jackals can extract moisture from their food, allowing them to go days without drinking. The springbok, another resilient inhabitant, has evolved to thrive on minimal water. These agile antelopes obtain moisture from the vegetation they eat, a survival strategy that allows them to roam far from permanent water sources. Birds have a unique advantage in their quest for water, the ability to travel vast distances. Red-billed queleas, often called the locusts of the sky, migrate to find water-rich areas, while flamingos flock to seasonal wetlands, creating spectacular displays of color and movement. Their adaptability and resourcefulness highlight the incredible diversity of life strategies in southern Africa's wildlife. When the rains finally arrive, the landscape is transformed. Dry riverbeds become flowing streams, and dormant plants burst into life. For many animals, this is a time of abundance and renewal. Yet, even in these moments of plenty, the cycle of scarcity looms on the horizon. The rains are fleeting, and the relentless rhythm of the dry season will soon return. The art of survival, adapting to a land where water is both a blessing and a challenge. Their resilience, ingenuity, and interdependence serve as a reminder of nature's extraordinary ability to endure. The quest for water is not just a story of survival, it is a celebration of life in one of the world's most unforgiving environments.